The USS Midway was the longest serving aircraft carrier of the 20th century. She was commissioned right after the end of World War II. One of the major success stories of the USS Midway Museum is its volunteer corps. We have nearly 800 volunteers here on board the ship, and they're critically important to maintaining the preservation and the maintenance of this ship. So the visit by the Sempra volunteers today are going to help keep this ship floating for another 80 years.
Today, Sempra employees are participating in several projects aboard the USS Midway, including a flight deck inspection, ship restoration, and exhibit maintenance. Their efforts help create an engaging experience for visitors while giving back to our community in meaningful ways.
When we come together to volunteer, something powerful happens. It's a deeper connection between departments and titles. All of that goes out the window. We're here collectively to do something for our community, and it's really special. We're giving back, and it really feels like it's something meaningful for us as a team.
Volunteer opportunities allow us to step outside of our day-to-day roles, engage with our communities, and connect with each other in meaningful ways. At Sempra, we strive to live our values of do the right thing, championing people, and shape the future. And to me, volunteering really brings that to life. It allows us to re-energize, connect, and then come back to work with a renewed sense of purpose. And in that way, it really is powering our potential as individuals and as a company.